Hi, it's Lana, Erin and Bonnie here from Three Birds Renovations, and we always get asked loads of questions about skirting boards and architraves.
We do.
So I've got a key question here, which is how important are skirting boards in the home?
Oh, they're so important.
They are important.
They are so important. I mean, I've said it before, but to me, I look at them as they're the pair of shoes on the outfit. Okay?
They finish it off, and
Yeah,
I
they
think
do.
what we discovered, when we started out is, a lot of people just don't pay attention to their skirting board choices or leave it to their builder to decide or whatever. And it's like,
And you wouldn't do that with your shoes.
You wouldn't.
You would absolutely pick an outfit
Well, sometimes-
and have your shoes as a major part of it.
You might pick your shoes first, but I think the skirting boards, they're so important. They can really enhance your vision board.
They can,
Really,
yeah.
really enhance that style you're going for.
Yeah, I mean, they're so decorative. They're that detail that make the difference and change it from sort of just feeling like a basic home into something a bit special.
Yeah, and I think there's lots and lots of examples of that. There is definitely,
home.
there's definitely a way of using skirting boards to get the look you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, and based on your vision board.
The great thing about a company like Intrim is there are so many choices, but if you're not sure about which one suits your style, you just show them your vision board and say, hey guys, you know the business.
Yeah.
What type of skirting board that you've got do you think brings to life this vision? And
we do that.
Yeah, we do it.
We literally say, okay, we're going for this kind of vibe in the house. What can you recommend?
Yeah.
And they'll give us 4 different types to look at, and I'll kind of pick out of the 4 different types. Yeah, it's very easy.
Yeah, you don't
And
have
then,
to make that decision yourself.
Because
That's the great thing.
if you did go to the website and looked at all the many different styles of skirting boards they have, it would be overwhelming. But it's actually not. The process isn't at all, because they're there to give you advice.
Yeah.
They are, and then also to help you on price point, because
Yeah.
there can be a lot of variation on skirting and architraves. Definitely the thickness is a really big one, isn't it?
Well, that's where I know Bon and I saved, where we got the height we wanted in the decorative, but to save some money, we just went thinner,
Yes.
almost half the size and almost half the price.
Yes.
Yeah, and yet you can't notice because
No.
you got the height, because I think the height is something and the decorative features is something that we focus on more
Than the thickness
than
of
the
it.
thickness.
Yes.
Yes.
So there you go, guys. Skirting boards and architraves can make the world of difference. So don't forget about them. Don't leave them out of the budget. Don't let your builder make the decision for you.
No, just like don't let your partner choose your shoes unless they've got really great taste.